Yo guys, what's up? I just finished recording a video for these Magura MT5s. If you haven't seen that video, go watch it here. But I like these brakes a lot. I stole them off my Razor, but they're great brakes. But I want to keep riding, baby. It's a beautiful Friday, so I figure why not ride a little more, get some practice in, practice my wheelies, get used to these new brakes. That's a new learn right there, if you guys couldn't tell. Oh yeah, these brakes are the shit, man. These brakes are the shit. I'll show you another new learn. Sit down, bop, stand up, say what? Yeah guys, I think we're slowly leaving the worm stage, which is cool. Woo! Woo, baby. Love it. I like it a lot. And we'll just keep it going. Oh, guys, I love this bike. I love these brakes. I love this controller. Whee! It's a good day, you know? If you didn't know, we're down here at the lovely sports complex. We got the Phillies here, Eagles there, Sixers play over there. But this just has nice lots to ride wheelies and nice long straight streets, which is pretty cool. YouTube is probably gonna demonetize this video anyway, so screw it in the streets. Why didn't I do this sooner with the Maguras? Wow, they're so much better than stock. What is going on here? Guts? Is that Guts Racing? Genuinely curious as to what this is. Yeah, I'm not trying to get trapped in here. No clue. Guts World Tour. Oh, is this Olivia Rodrigo? I think Olivia Rodrigo's there or something? I don't know. Oh, actually, let's pop down here to FDR, see what's good. Pop by the skate park real quick. Oh, the beauty of a freaking e-bike, man. You can just do whatever you want. It's wild. Ah! Sit down. Stand up, say what? I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Can we get back down? We can't, because we're terrible. Last time I came to this skate park, we had a little incident. Not an incident, but just some guy was really upset we were there watching. He's like, "You're not riding the skate park. This is my skate park." And we're like, bro, we weren't trying to ride the skate park. But right now, I might be trying to ride the skate park. Oh, this dude's flying FPV, damn. All right, looks like there's a pause in the action. Yeah, that little guy. And you can hit it back the other way. Yo! Yeah, one more, two more. He said, "Get out of here. I'm out." Skaters don't love the surrounds in a skate park, just like mountain bikers don't love them on their trails. Everyone hates us. Nah, I get it. That's why, like, if you tell me to leave, I'll leave. It's a skate park, not a Talaria park. Excuse me, pardon me. A nice Regen. Save my brakes. Shout out Nuclear Tech for the sick controller, display, Regen thumb throttle. It's money, money. Okay guys, just got off the phone with Rosati, so I think we're gonna go meet up with him. Rosati! What up?
You fucking wrong way. You wrong way. You
Wrong way, Jeff.
What's going on?
Not much, man. Just about to get a quick ride in and then go at a happy hour. All right, we met up with Rosati. We're gonna get a little ride in. The man, the myth, the legend, Rosati.
Oh,
Suron kid. Woo-hoo-hoo. Still getting used to these Maguras. different bike on the XXX, you know? Dude, I think I'm just gonna start like a sewing channel instead. They won't demonetize that, right?
What name of like petting my cat?
Is that like a metaphor?
What?
Petting your cat? Woo! And I'm feeling good. Easy, easy, easy. I'm loving the Maguras now, baby. I didn't even realize you're riding in slides.
Good look, sir.
You gotta. I'm gonna wheelie all the way down and then spin around without putting my foot down. That's the goal. Around the loop and then to the end where it's blocked and then back. Ah! I put my foot down, so it doesn't really count.
That's a nice spot to get clipped.
Yeah, for real. You got the Ben Franklin right here. I got a what?
You gotta be like,
Oh yeah, I gotta be like English. Inglés.
yo, bro. English or Spanish?
English.
Alright, first one to drop is gay. Super gay. Don't drop unless you're gay. Yo, why you so focused, dude?
Oh, I'm chilling. Look, even with the front wheel stopped, it's all good. Oh, look what happened! You're pedaling 15 miles an hour right now. Me? Yeah, let's see if we can get you to 20. You want to push?
Stop playing with you. Yeah, he got it.
Ah, I shouldn't have dropped.
Dior, Gucci, Roy, Tusi. She's a movie but means nothing to me. A-list singer and she's just a